Hello and welcome to Women on Boards. My name is Kylah Morrison and I'm the WOB representative here in WA. In my day job, I am General Manager for METS Ignited, an industry-led growth centre for the mining, equipment, technology and services sector. I also hold non-executive board and advisory positions for organisations addressing the energy transition and future skills. With an early career as an engineer working on oil and gas rigs offshore of Australia, I'm not afraid to stand up and lead. I lived and worked in North and Western Australia for 9 years in the middle of my career and championed regional economic development through the local Chamber of Commerce and helped establish the Pilbara University Centre. Having years of experience working and leading in male-dominated industries, I now coach women into board and leadership roles and share leadership insights as the co-host of the Real Women in Leadership podcast. For Women on Boards, I host regular events here in Perth, connecting and supporting new members. To join Women on Boards in WA, please go to the Women on Boards website and I look forward to being in touch and seeing you at our next event.